Another day at sea. Let's see what's going to happen today around the ship. Today's weather report is cold and cloudy. So now they've got the balloons out for the 50th anniversary of Princess Cruise's party tonight. That's the crew area on our ship. So we can see this from our hallway, just because that's the door. Oh, it looks like we had a little accident in the bathroom. Let's see what happened here. Oh, look, water. Apparently a hand towel ended up in the bottom of the shower, and the shower was running, which blocked it. Can you see that water soaking back and forth? Kind of funny. What an adventure. Well, since our bathroom is flooded, I'm on the elevator trying to find a bathroom that I can go to so I don't have to hold it anymore. Good grief. Luckily there's one right off the elevator here. Well, they are cleaning up the mess, the flood. So we've got this big fan going. It's very windy right here, as you can hear. And they say in 3 hours it'll be dry. It's pretty windy out there and cold. Alfredo's Pizzeria. Very good. Tonight we're eating in the pizza place. Something a little different than the main dining room.
We really do thank you, and I mean that sincerely.
As well for joining us for our captain's farewell party. There's more music from Tempo Quattro, some more great entertainment of both the Vista and also the Princess tonight.